Good morning, class 1. Welcome back to your English class. I really hope you all are safe and fine and you all are study well at your home. So, children, before we start our today's class, please make sure you have all the essential items with you. It means your English book, notebook, planner copy, and a pencil case. Okay, children? So, I hope you all have the items. Okay, children. So, before we start our today's class, let's do a quickly recap what we learned in our previous class. Okay, children. I hope you all remember what we learned in our previous class. आप सबको याद है ना? Okay. And I give you homework to learn 4 lines of this poem. आई होप आप सब लोगों ने याद कर लिया होगा. ओके, सो लेट्स क्विकली रिकैप द पोएम. So children, please open your book and read with me. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle all the night. Very good. Clap for yourself. Yes. I really hope you all are enjoying this class. Okay. So now we are going to learn our today's aim. Okay. So children, our today's aim is chapter 1, The Star Poem. And the poet of this poem is Jane Taylor. Okay. Everyone should learn know the poet name. Okay. सबको इस पोएम के जो पोएट है उनका नाम सबको याद होना चाहिए. ओके चिल्ड्रन. सो नाउ we have some keywords for the lesson and this will help you to understand the chapter. Okay children. अब हम लोग keywords पढ़ेंगे. Okay. So the keywords are traveler. Everyone repeat after me. Okay. Traveler. TRAVELLER. Traveler means a person who is going from one place to another place. Okay children. जब कोई भी पर्सन एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान में जाता है, एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस में जाता है, so we can call them traveler. Okay children. And the next, spark. SPARK. Spark means a small flash of light. जब कोई छोटी सी लाइट जलती है या फिर कहीं से रोशनी आ रही होती है तो हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं? स्पार्क बोलते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट, कर्टेन. आई होप एवरीवन नो अबाउट कर्टेन. यस, यू ऑल राइट. कर्टेन मीन्स a piece of cloth that covers window and door. Yes children, जो हमारी विंडोज और डोर को कवर करते हैं उस क्लॉथ को हम क्या बोलते हैं? कर्टन. ओके. पीप. PEEP. पीप मीन्स लुक एट समथिंग फॉर अ शॉर्ट टाइम. जब हम किसी चीज़ को थोड़े समय के लिए देखते हैं तो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? पीप. Okay children, I really hope you all learn the keywords. Okay, so having this in your mind, let's start our today's chapter. Okay, so children, let's read the poem. So please open grade 1 English book, page number 10. Okay? And the poem name is The Star. Now children, please put your finger on your book and repeat after me, okay? With the same tone. Okay, everyone ready? Okay, let's start. Okay. Then the traveler in the dark. Okay, अभी पोएम में आगे क्या हो रहा है? Then the traveler in the dark. जब कोई ट्रैवलर रात में ट्रैवल करता है तो क्या होता है? थैंक्स यू फॉर योर टिनी स्पार्क. तो वो मतलब स्टार्स को थैंक यू बोलता है फॉर देयर टिनी स्पार्क. टिनी मीन्स जो छोटी छोटी लाइट से वो रोशनी करते हैं, उनके लिए उनको थैंक यू बोलते हैं. He could not see which way to go, and if stars are not twinkling, तो उन्हें किस रास्ते में जाना है, किस वे में जाना है, वो ये देख ही नहीं पाएंगे. If you did not twinkle so, अगर आप ऐसे ट्विंकल नहीं करते तो. ओके, so now let's read again. Then the traveler in the dark thanks you for your tiny spark. He could not see which way to go if you did not twinkle so. Yes, everyone enjoying? Yes. So next is in the dark blue sky you keep and often through my curtain peep. और जब डार्क ब्लू स्काई हो जाता है तो तुम हमेशा मेरे पर्दे के पास से, मेरे कर्टेन के पास से झांकते हो, है ना. एक गर्ल है, वो स्टार्स से कहती है. ओके, फॉर यू नेवर सेट योर आई. और तुम कभी भी अपनी आंखें क्लोज नहीं करते हो. टिल द सन इज इन द स्काई. जब तक कि सन आसमान में नहीं आ जाता. ओके, लेट्स रीड अगेन. In the dark blue sky you keep, and often through my curtain peep. For you never shut your eye, till the sun is in the sky. Yes, clap for yourself. Very good. So now, children, I really hope you all understood the poem and you also know the meaning of the poem. Okay, so now we have our bonus question of the day. Okay, children, the bonus question is, who could not see the way to go? किसको ये नहीं पता चलता है कि उसे किस रास्ते में जाना है. इफ द स्टार्स आर नॉट ट्विंकलिंग. ओके, so I really hope if you all are listen me carefully, then you will give the correct answer. Okay, अगर आप सब लोगों ने मेरे साथ बहुत अच्छे से पोएम पढ़ी है, मुझे बहुत अच्छे से सुना है, तो आप सब लोग करेक्ट आंसर चूज करोगे. ओके, नाउ चिल्ड्रन वी हैव अ प्रैक्टिस टाइम. अभी हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस का प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. ओके, okay children, I gave you some blanks. Fill in the blanks and you have to choose the correct word, okay, to make the sentence. The first sentence is, how I wonder what you are. Okay, so we can fill the blank by the word wonder. Okay, everyone learn the poem now, so you can easily fill the blanks. Okay, next, when the space sun is gone. अभी सब लोग सोचो और इसको फिल करो. Yes, yes, when the blazing sun is gone. So we will fill the blank with the word blazing. Next, when he nothing upon. Yes, the answer is signs. Okay, so children, now today's work. Please note down work in your notebook and answer it correctly. Okay, and with a very neat and clean handwriting. Okay, children, सब लोग अपना होमवर्क अपनी नोटबुक में करेंगे और बहुत ही अच्छी राइटिंग में. ओके, so children, I give you fill the blanks with the correct word given in the box. As we do just before, हमने जैसा अभी fill किया ना correct word to make a sentence, तो हम same fill करेंगे. Okay, I give you some options in the box. You can take the option, take the word to fill the sentence. आप सब लोग जो गिवन वर्ड्स हैं बॉक्स में उनसे ही इन सेंटेंस को फिल करेंगे. ओके, प्लीज नोट डाउन वर्क इन योर नोटबुक. ओके, प्लीज पॉज योर वीडियो. Okay, I really hope you all are done with this. Okay, next. Now children, fill the missing letter to complete the words. Okay children, I give you some letters and they have some blanks. You have to fill the correct letter to make a word. Okay, आप सबको correct letter fill करना है इसमें, इसको correct word बनाने के लिए. As first is blazing, BLAZING, blazing. Okay children. Okay, so planner work. Today's planner work is do your work in your notebook. Okay children, सब लोग अपना काम अपनी notebook में करेंगे. Learn next 4 lines of the poem. Okay, yesterday you learned starting 4 lines of this poem and now you will learn the next 4 lines. When the blazing sun is gone to twinkle twinkle all the night. Okay children, ये 4 lines आपको learn करनी है. Okay, and then note down your work in your planner and after this get your parents' signature. Okay children, so children, I really hope you all are enjoying the class and also learn something from this class. So if you have any doubt, please make sure you can let me know in your comment section. Okay children, so thank you. Have a good day.